this is the last video in this section, and in this section we are going to use the icon here. Okay, instead of in edit and delete, we'll use the font icon. So I'm here in the Font Awesome website, and the first thing we have to do here is let's go to the start here, and here we have the option. I'll go for the download, and let's go down. So you can download and you can put in your folder, and you can have in a public folder, and you can access in this way also, but you can use the direct link here as well. So I'll use the upgrade from version 4, and this page will get this one, and here are the files that I can use. So we go here. So these two files, I'll include these two files in the head section of my app.play.php. So I'll use here, and now I have to use the edit and the delete button. So to go, let's go to the icons, click the icons, and then here I'll write edit, and it will show me something like this. So I'll use this edit and copy and paste over in the index.play.php here. So let's go here and copy this and paste here. So paste this here, and now delete. Now I'll write trass, and I'll use this one. Copy this and let's paste in the delete here. So now I should have this icon. So let's go and let's refresh, and you can see now I have edit and I have delete button.